all descended to earth from the degree of the greatness of your love. I'd breathe all the beauty in mortality, tapping my toes in the wilderness of your womb. Even though I stutter, I read. The equator on the sunset beach, blushing hugs the sun. Folded mulberry leaves becomes a magnificent palace for the ants, dancing in the morning breeze, all because of the love of His grace.